Well, hello, my little teacups. I thought today we would talk about unveiling the FabFitFun for the summer 2018. Okay. So, hope you are having a great summer. You have any plans? Any vacations or anything? FabFitFun always comes with a magazine. It actually has the breakdown of everything that's in there and what you can use it on. For example, this explains everything that's in the box and how much you normally would pay for it. Let's look. They usually give you a coupon code if you share it with friends. Comes cute wrapped like this. Oh, I'm always excited to get gifts. Woo! I do love Tarte. I'm so excited about this. This retails for, says Glow. The Tarte resells for $43. Ooh. This, no, I'm mistaken. The Tarte Pro Glow, because there was two choices. There was the Tarteus Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette, and then there was a Tarte Pro Go Palette and Sex Kitten Liquor Liner, which it says right here. And if I didn't pick beforehand, then I would just get what they gave me, which I got the Pro Glow. But this marketing piece and wrapping, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Got mirrors on both of the sides. Beautiful. Beautiful colors. I'm excited about this. Okay, let's see what's next. There's something from Pier 1 Imports. I'm not sure what it is. It is a marble ring dish, which I do love ring dishes. That's pretty. I'm actually going to be redoing my whole room, so this will go perfect with it. It's going to be white and gray. So love it. Love it. That retails for $14.99. Now, the one good thing I love about my FabFitFun is how many gifts you get in there. You also, since you've actually purchased the box, you can re-gift some of these items. So that's what I do with a lot of my stuff that I get from FabFitFun, is I'll buy this box and then turn around and use it for gifts throughout the year. Okay, this is wrapped like this. And I believe this is a faux Luna. It says you're one of the first ones to get your hands on. It says Luna Faux Midnight. You're one of the first ones. This retails for this retails for $89. And it says it's powered by Bluetooth technology to advance skin sensors to create a total personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Luna app. Avoid clay and grainy cleansers. So I guess you wash your face with it. It's a nice gift. So what you could do is try this, and then if you like it, you can start buying some. I think you may get a discount for Christmas, but that's awesome. Okay. This looks like it is moisturizer, and it's called Kula Face Sports SPF 50 with white tea moisturizer. This retails for $32. So as you can see, you know, you've already bought everything that was in the box. I mean, I think it's $89 a box, and this was $45. This was $89. I've already purchased everything in there. It's awesome. Okay, this is Elimus Papaya Enzyme Pill, not Pearl, Pill. It says this is the rinse-off cream made with exfoliate papaya, nourishing milk proteins, and protein vitamins. E works together to leave your skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. I actually love this product. Not this product, this brand. I can't get enough facial stuff, I'm telling you. I'll show you on my cabinet one day. Let's read the directions real quick. Oh, it's really hard to read too. Hold on. Getting a little thirsty here. It says apply for 10 minutes. So I would think you would apply and leave on for 10 minutes. But it literally says apply for 10 minutes. I don't know about you, but I ain't got 10 minutes. Anyway, rinse off with lukewarm water. Avoid eyes. So I'm not going to try it right now. Next, this is a pretty box. It says aromatherapy muscle gel. Most of y'all don't know that I'm a licensed massage therapist. So I will be using this on some of my clients. Ooh, it definitely smells like massage lotion. Actually, it gets on pretty well. It feels really good. It smells like it has a little bit of eucalyptic. Let's see what the ingredients are. Wow. It does have lavender, and I did smell lavender. There's another smell. Okay, well, anyway, massage lotion. I'm gonna pronounce this wrong, but Maja Sports Loop Resistant Band. I love it. I love the size of it because you could probably travel with it. No, you can travel with it. I have been lacking in the workout stuff, but I'm getting back into it. But says that you can tighten and tone that summer body. This band will help add and challenge to any workout that targets abs, biceps, legs, and back muscles. But that's pretty cool. Ooh, there's more. Okay, there is a makeup train case. I'm actually glad that I got this color because the other one was that's kind of cute on the inside. Let me zip it up. That's cute. I'll be keeping that. I should gift it, but I'll be keeping it. Okay, so there is something missing though. This was in there. It's a straw. And it says, this straw saves marine life. Visit give us a sip.us. But I just think that that's something funny to put in. I mean, I get it, it's cute, but, and that is it. So thank you for joining my unveiling of thank you for joining my FabFitFun unboxing, and I hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Bye. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like button and get notifications. Hey, I've attached the coupon code where you can get $10 off your first box, and that's over a $200 value for just $39.99. This offer does expire on September 30th, 2018. Thanks.